Okay guys, these are a few stragglers left. I said I was done with the Mini Zs, but you know what? There were a few things more that I did want. So these are hopefully the last of the stragglers, and I am done because I've got more than enough. So, just a quick unboxing guys, nothing too amazing. These shells came, I think these are the ones from Germany. Let's have a little quick look at these. I had a few things coming from Japan, but they didn't come just yet. They were rare shells, so I was gonna do like a drifting vid, so I'll do that at some point. But at the moment, these are the ones that have come. So here we go. What have we got here? Oh yeah, so this is the Nissan Silvia. So it's more like a drifting kind of car. Hopefully there are drift wheels on there. I haven't really gotten a metallic orange shell that's coming through. And it's got a kind of carbon fibre look on the bumper. And there's what this bad boy is. Just a nice little shell. So the all-wheel drive cars are usually a narrow chassis, so that should fit on them ones. Okay, I don't really have a Mercedes, so this is the first Mercedes I've got in my little collection. And it's a GT version. So this is the Tom's SC430. It looks a little bit dated, guys, but I did like the black GT kind of look, where it's all kind of blown out of the arches. Just looks mean, exhaust on the side. Now, I don't know, that's an RM, oh that's interesting. Okay, right, so that's them too. Let's see, so this is from China. And it's RC Mart. And this guy's pretty cool because even I order expensive stuff for this person, it never seems to get a custom charge. I don't know what it is. How much did they put in here? $10. Oh my goodness. $10. One of the items was even $10. Okay. Right, I can't remember what was in here. I can vaguely remember. Let's see. RC Mart's card. Alright, okay. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is a Nsx Concept Gt. I had this as the touring car version, and it was mean. It looked mean with all the decals on it. And I wanted a white one because I just like the detail that's on it. It's really futuristic, really concept. So I was thinking about turning it into a police car. Now I'll see. But that is a nice looking shell though. Alright. Put you over there. Okay. What else have we got in here? Oh yeah. The Audi R8. And this is the LMS 2015 white. But I've got the white one, but this one's a little bit different. It looks a little bit more meaner. And I've noticed they started selling this as the ready to run version with all the transmitter and bits and bobs. I do like them wheels. What I usually do is just swap and change the wheels out. So that'll be going on onto something else. Nice wheels. Okay, because I've got quite a few Audi R8s, so that will just fit on there. I won't have to mess around with changing the chassis around. And this is another Honda NSX. This is like a newer version. It's got like a metallic blue kind of look to it, which is a nice blue. They don't really do the chrome blue very much. They've got a nice chrome blue that you can see on the Skyliners. Well, I think it's a limited edition Skyline that's out on. Their chromes are nice, but they don't seem to do it. This is the same kind of blue that they did the McLaren in, and it was alright. I'd prefer it a little bit more glamorous, a little bit more pretty. But still, nice looking little car. You can go over here. Last box, guys, and then I'll leave you guys alone. Let's have a look. Alright, okay. There's no cutter. Okay, I think I read that a bit too late. But I'm careful, so don't worry about that. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna go against your advertising again. Because I'm gonna cut this thing down. There we go. Model Sport. I've had a love-hate relationship with these guys. Because some of the stuff that they send you can tell it's been used. And it better not be that kind of day today. Because they're gonna get it. Okay, I do have this Mazda Roadster. But I did like this colour. I think it's a Soul Red it's called. I do like the chromey kind of look because when I make my videos, the cars tend to look a little bit more realistic. Okay. At some point, guys, I am going to make a video of my rare Kyosho Mini Zs. You'll like that. If you're into Mini Zs, you'll like it. Because some of the stuff that I've got, I paid some money for it. And it came from America and Japan. So, should be 5 sets of lights here. 5 sets of lights. Well done, Model Sport. And lastly, this little bad boy, which is a Nissan Skyline in jade. Pretty cool colour. So, I've got this body shell anyway in white, but I thought, you know what, I do like that jade, and I can't do with shopping and changing my chassis, so I'm just going to have a few shells to run on it. And I don't think you're that interested in seeing this being unboxed, guys. You've probably seen me unbox these little bad boys before. But this is the all-wheel drive version. So it's made for drifting and it should have drift wheels on it. Yes, it does. And I think it's got gunmetal wheels, which is kind of cool. But it's a shell that's kind of different. I like having different coloured shells. So, now this bad boy doesn't come. This is the Nissan Skyline GTR V-Spec to Noor R34. You can see it there? Oh, you can't see it. Okay, so only downside is no LEDs and no gyro. But I'll stick something inside it. And that was basically it, guys. That's our wheel unboxing done. Okay, and hopefully we've got that on my bloodstream right now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll be making loads of them little mini street racing videos, and they're gonna get better and better, guys. I've got loads of ideas, so stay tuned with that. Help support the channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and thumbs up or whatever, guys. Yeah, respect to you guys for tuning in. All right, thank you very much. Take care.